when you're en route to Coorg and suddenly this shows up. Meet Mallalli Falls. Situated in Karnataka's Coorg district, this waterfall drops about 200 feet on the Kumaradhara River. Just 25 to 42 kilometers from nearby towns like Somwarpet and Kushalnagar, it's easy to reach by road before a short trek down. There's a descent of roughly 500 to 600 steps into the gorge. Enough adventure for a mini trek. Photographers love it because this place looks different in every light, especially as the sun starts slipping. The best time? Monsoon and post monsoon months when the flow is thick and dramatic. And honestly, we were probably the last ones out before the sun shut the show.